What you'll need is 200 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, about 10 grams of baking powder, a packet of 10 grams of vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, 200 milliliters of whole milk, and 50 grams of melted butter. Take a large bowl and crack your eggs in there. Add the sugar and the vanilla sugar and give everything a good whisk. Then the butter. To that, add half of your milk. Now come the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, and the salt. Give it a really good whisk. As the final step, add the rest of your milk. This way it ensures that your batter will remain lump-free. Take a non-stick pan and put it on a medium fire. While my pan is getting hot, I've transferred the batter into a measuring cup. That way it's a little bit easier to pour. You can use whatever you like. Since we're using a non-stick pan, you don't need to use any oil. Just pour your batter straight on there. Fry your pancakes until you see bubbles starting to form on the surface. That's your cue to flip them. And fry them for about 30 seconds on the other side. And there you go, the pancakes are done. Look at them, nice and fluffy. Depending on the size of the pancakes you make them, this recipe will give you roughly 15 to 20 pancakes. That's it.